hospital. We have the goofiest Eileen and Advik here.
Actually, it's the goofiest Reyansh here because he's literally the one who's playing.
Yeah.
And I'm the best Eileen in the world, and Advik is the worst goofiest.
And you are the worst guy in the world.
I meant that Advik is only the goofiest.
Oh yeah, because he's the littlest.
Oh yeah.
You're the goofiest.
Come here. You're going to ruin the video. Sit over here.
You're the
You're the goofiest guy, so.
You're going to ruin the video. Sit here.
Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, cringy thing.
Look, let me check the cameras.
We all agree Advik is the goofiest guy.
Yeah. My appointment. You guys say, I can say the next word they say. Say the next word they say, okay?
Okay.
Let me see how he looks to make sure it's not an anomaly. Okay. I know if there's an anomaly or not. I'm not running an anomaly. Read it.
Thanks. I will be in room 1.
Yeah. Ew. Look at this. Beautiful.
Ew.
I'm just kidding.
Go in room 1.
Just kidding, guys.
What the? Now Advik is gonna.
Look, I can take the DNA. Say ouch. Say it. Ouch. Sorry, guys. We're just. What do I need? Herbs. You guys can play Animal Hospital and your guys' iPads.
Can I play after you?
Animal Hospital?
Yeah.
You can play Blockbuster. Or another game, I don't know. Remember the team. You're playing Radical House 3. Okay, never. Sorry, guys. Whatever. What are you doing?
See if I have to leave.
I can tell. It's 12:10, bruh. It's
Bruh.
like 12:10, 18. You can leave
Where did it go?
half an hour.
Going without you.
Okay, sorry.
Hurry up.
You went to the temple. Is this an anomaly? Okay, good. It's not an anomaly. Look how they walk.
Ew.
I didn't get them for real. Room number 2. Open the
Even
door.
the patient can find it by itself, bro.
Say ouch!
Ouch.
Are you like Cherry biting your fingers like Cherry? No.
I want to eat.
Me too.
No, say no.
Indian sweet.
I want to eat.
Indian sweet.
No.
What is it called?
No. Oh, shit. What do I need?
What is it?
I'll eat later. The doctor is arriving. God, I'm letting an anomaly in. Eileen, I'm letting an anomaly in. Come. I'm letting in an anomaly. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Actually, Joshua. What? Cheat early later. I'll fix up the shutter. Yeah, I have to close the shutters if an anomaly comes.
That's an anomaly.
No, that's not. That's the doctor.
Oh.
Aww, that's excellent actually. If you look at the photo,
But he has a birthmark.
that's not a birthmark. It came with that.
What the heck?
It's weird.
Yeah.
You like it? You don't like my avatar?
I don't like your face, but it has a...
Yeah, I don't even like it. I think I can take it off. Let's see if this is an anomaly. Good. It's not.
How do you know if it's a normal?
Because if this is like blurry and stuff, or has an evil face, that's an anomaly. I have to close the shutters. And there's a stalker in this game.
Two or three? Oh, two. Bro, go!
Oh, this is an anomaly. I'm gonna
Go
close.
to the...
That's an anomaly. See? It's moving its head. This is an anomaly.
Yeah.
Yeah, get out of here, anomaly.
What about the other patient?
That is also evil.
No, it's not.
I'll see. What kind of name is this? See if this is. Let me see the picture.
Oh, yes,
This is
Mom.
not an anomaly.
What about the other patient, bro? You left the other patient.
I have two patients now. Oh, that's the stalker.
Room 5, I said. She said.
I used to see when Dee played. I used to see a monster under that one of the beds.
Animal hospital?
Yeah.
Ew, and I have to clean this up. Chit.
It looked like a dummy bear.
You're not even helping that patient.
Here I am. Say ouch. You have to say ouch. That's your job. I'll do it. My mom is talking to your mom. My mom's talking to your mom. Okay. Let me eye drops and maple syrup. And I need some maple syrup. Why are you shaking? Do you want to go home?
No. It's not one.
Oh, he's dead, I think.
Almost.
Right? Is he
Died.
dead?
Yes.
Why?
Okay, guys, we're gonna end this video right here. Peace.
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 Yo, what's up,
Bye.
yo?